Let's do an oil change on a 6.7 Powerstroke. We use Doc's diesel for all of our oil changes, and one thing to note when you're at checkout and ordering your oil, make sure to order 4 gallons. These Powerstrokes take 13 quarts, so you want to make sure you have enough.